Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about document translation. And in this video, I will show you how to easily translate your Word document to whatever language of your choice, keeping the format and the layout of your Word document without any stress or for free. Let me show you how without installing any app. Okay, just like what you see right here, you can see this Word document here was written in English language, and I want to see how I'm going to translate this Word document from English to another language entirely or for free. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and minimize the Word document right here, and I'll go ahead and open up my Chrome browser, then come to the address bar right here, go ahead and type in Google Translate, and then hit enter key on your keyboard. Then it's going to open up like so. Then you have your Google Translate right there. Come down below right here and make sure you click on the first result right here, which is translate.google.com, and it's going to take you to this right here. So how do you use this particular Google Translate to translate your document? So what you need to do is to go ahead and navigate the document right here. On getting to document, you have to drag and drop your document, or better still, you can click on browse your file. But before that, you have to make sure you choose your preferred language. Like for me, I'm going to choose English language right here. Then the language you want to translate into, so I can decide to translate to Arabic right here. So make sure you select Arabic. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on browse your file right here. Then go ahead and select the Word document file. So I have it right here, my DOC. So select on it. So having select on it, next time I'm going to do is to go ahead and hit open. So we have the document being uploaded right here. Go ahead and click on translate. Simple as that, successfully translate. Go ahead and click on open. Go ahead and click on download translation. Then we can call this Arabic. Okay, I'll click on save right here. After a successful download, I can come to the download folder right here and then click on open. Then it's going to automatically load, just like what you see right here. And let's find out the result. Just like what you see right here, we are able to translate this Word document into Arabic language. So we can go ahead and click on enable editing right here. So it's that simple. The layout still remains right here. You can go on and translate to whatever document of your choice. Let's go back to Google Translate. Let me quickly show you something right here. So if you want to translate to more different languages, just go ahead and click on here, and you have multiple languages right here. Whatever language you choose right here is the result you are getting. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.